Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Today we're working on that ML320 that we got, 2003 model. Window switch doesn't operate anymore, it's not working. We'll show you how to do that, how to repair, how to replace it actually. We'll see if we can repair it. If we find a way, we'll share it with you guys. We have the video how to do it on a 98 all the way to 2001 model, but 2 and up, they're different. So we definitely will show you how to do that now. Those are the window switches we're talking about. If you have the different kind right here, we have that video on World Mechanics, our main channel, which is growing crazy fast. Right here you have 2 clips that you need to push down, okay? Those black things, you push them down like that, and actually now you need to pull the clips up, okay? You can just grab the black thing and you can pull the clips up like that. But before that, with the T2 we need to remove these 2 screws right there. We forgot about those, so just go ahead, remove those. Okay, you can see it like that. It's not very complicated once you know what you're doing, but hopefully we'll be able to show you a little bit, guys, so you can see how it's done. And once you remove the screws, guys, right here there is with a prying tool, there is 2 swords that there is 2 clips, okay, like that. You need to pry back and it will open the clip. Yeah, it's limited room, but you'll be able to figure it out. Okay, right there now. And you can see the lid comes out of there, it's out of the way. And now you can go ahead and remove that storage compartment as well. Now on top with the same T2, we need to remove 2 more screws that hold that panel right here. Okay, so we need to go ahead and do that. We have a video how to do an LED bar on that Mercedes as well, guys, and many videos on our main channel, and on this channel, Auto Repair, guys, we have many videos as well in the future. You need to remove that trim piece around the gear shifter there with a prying tool or a screwdriver. If you're careful, you can do it. Okay, there is a little bit more there, so you can just go ahead and remove that one. There is a couple clips on it. Okay, then you can just start pulling it up, but be careful not to break the wood on it, okay? And it will come up, okay, just like that. Now, one thing, we will probably need to put the shifter in neutral, so we can do that. And once you put it in neutral, guys, you'll be able to get it out of there, and now you can remove the wires, okay? It's not very complicated removing those wires once you know what you are doing. You need to remove that one by, okay, right here there is a thing that you press down, okay, this black thing, you press down and then you pull the wire, okay, just like that. One there, and that's the other one, you squish on both sides, okay, like that. Okay, this one is stuck a little bit there for some reason. Okay, right there. And that's the window switch assembly, guys. If you need to just remove it from the trim piece, all you gotta do right here, you have 2 screws, 2 right here, 4 and 2 on the back, 6 screws, and the whole window switch assembly comes out of there. So pretty simple, not very complicated, but it's very expensive as of right now to replace that thing. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.